My beautiful and amazing people, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. Leila, the Moroccan wife of Ned Woko, thought that if Regina Daniel is out of the picture, that she is going to rule as a queen that she is, that everything which she ever wanted would be for her in a platter of gold. E no talk say no be like that oh. It is better make Regina even dey in the picture than say e no dey at all because Leila don dey complain oh. Like the prepare wan finish Leila at this point in time. No wonder somebody bin even observe say all those things wey dey come social media come do, they are only but looking for validation so that people go talk say Ned Nwoko is caring and loving. See the way him and Leila they love theirself, they touching body, they hug theirself. Whereas my people, no be lie. Now some people lie say all these things na wash. Say imagine when Leila wan hold Ned Nwoko for that viral video wey Ned Nwoko come post during im birthday, wey im carry Regina Daniel children alongside the Leila and other like wey im pack all im children comot for im birthday, wey dem carry cake put for front, then cut, wey Leila come face Ned Nwoko before you know they don tiniwana for public. For their mind, they kiss so that make people know talk say love finish here. Whereas they say no be small thing oh. That their tiniwana wey dey do, peace I no dey for inside house at all at all. You see that thing wey that nanny talk say ever since Regina Daniel left, that Ned has not been himself. He just dey settle down, dey transfer aggression, dey provocate. No be lie at all oh. They just want, in as much as say camera face them, na social media, they go pretend as if nothing dey happen. And once camera comot face another place, they go show their real color. Now like this, they say Leila don go dey complain to person wey no person wey no person, say she regretted why Regina Daniel left. That she was thinking that Regina Daniel left, that she's going to gain her marriage and gain her respect and love back from Ned Nwoko, but reverse was the case. And now at this point, she no even know what to do again. Today they are happy. The next moment, Ned Nwoko don turn to something else entirely. Imagine that they went to that party that day, the birthday, where they cut cake, they even kiss, they jolly. Una see the video, now they play for my screen. So, Tete, according to the information now, that from house, they be no day on talking terms, they the verse from house. So, but immediately they say they come for the birthday, we camera face them, they have to play along. We make the come because they say family where they alright, we no get issue. Una no need to come impress anybody. Anyhow, wanna take do am, it makes sense like that. For you see family where we say now every time they want make camera face them so that they go feel express themselves. That family fear am. Now be this one where they happen like this. So say on that particular day they were having issues. What be the issue? Say Regina Daniel children. Say after the nanny finished dressing them up, arranging them, getting set to enter car and go, all of a sudden the elder one, which is the senior son Munir, will be Regina Daniel first. All of a sudden, in Congo, you know children now, they can't dey play. That one can't go for the clothes wey in wear can't dirty. Now they say Ned Nwoko can't come out from nowhere. He started shout on top of his voice for Leila, because at that point the nanny was not there. Those children were under her custody. Wetin happen? Wetin happen? Why you go allow them fall? Now Leila say, they are all playing. She left them, let them play. And Munir now went and run. Before you know, children, e come fall. Im clothes come dirty. So she go come hold the children say make dem no play again because of say dem wan comot. Na im dem say Nedwoko come cut her warning of her life that she should never in her life even go close to these children again. If una observe for the video, una go see say the children dey with Ned and the other daughter. They no near Leila at all at all. Why? Because they don cut her warning. Say make she avoid those children. Make she no go near them at all at all. If there is anything, if she no want any drama or anything at all, she should avoid those children. Anything wey be her plans towards those children, make she carry am face front o. Na im dey say Leila now dey talk say Nedwoko dey think say im get anything to do with those children. Say when she was not around, Regina Daniel took care of those children without thinking twice. She provided for her children. Say why she go come treat Regina Daniel children anyhow or treat them like they are not children. Say if she even try that one, God will not be happy with her. Say but because Nedwoko get another motive, anytime wey im wan go meet another woman like this, e go wan make una get issue, e go wan cause dragging down, so that by the time wey im go, e go be say una dey quarrel, you no go come even dey call am say make im come back house or make im no come back house. Say na the thing be that. Say because she no really do anything wrong to deserve that warning in the presence of the children. Say make she no ever go near those children again. Now Leila dey talk say even at this point she dey regret why Regina Daniel even have to go. That she was even more happier when Regina Daniel was around. She was more happy and feel more relaxed, enjoying the moment more than now like this. Say she no even understand Nedwoko again. A lot of things are not right. That what has she done wrong? What has she even done for cause for herself? Say she just tire. Only she dey take care of other women children. None of them don't complain. Wetin come dey special for Regina Daniel children wey be say they go need to give them proper more looking. This one, that one, make they give them extra attention as if they are different from other children. That God knows she love Regina Daniel children and she no want anything wey go ever touch them. And she dey even dey tell Regina Daniel, even Regina Daniel dey o, e no dey o. Say she no go ever wan do anything at all. If not, Regina Daniel God go ask her, because when she was not there, her children told her the roles wey Regina Daniel play in their lives, and she was so happy that at least she has somebody who is this selfless when it comes to the children. So she no go come do the other way round. But Nedwoko dey always dey treat her like a child, like person wey no know wetin e dey do, or person wey get kolo mentus or something. But she already don know im game. Like this now, Leila, the prepare won't finish her. The prepare won't finish her. At least when Regina Daniel dey in the picture, una remember say Regina talk her say she dey always tell Nedwoko say make him go see im other wife o, make him go meet them. At least that time now, if they force am come, e dey alright. But now, attention, everything, every now and then, all attention on her. She no even get free time. Every now and then, na question, na answer, na trouble, na dragging from one talk to the other, one quarrel to the other. Even wetin no suppose become quarrel, e dey become quarrel. Now like this, say they wan join mouth put together, make dem beg Regina Daniel to return back because they no understand Nedwoko again. They don't understand am at all. That they never believe that Regina will have the mind to leave. Una know say when Leila left, before you know, as Ned will go comot shame for head as usual, say e no dey get shame. E comot shame say Leila dey allegedly dey go dey meet another man. Aside that, she carry money wey dey give her for upkeep of her children, carry am go do body, do nyash, do this, do that. As if that was not enough, she just dey squander money anyhow. Why Regina Daniel? It is never like that. There was never a time for this their quarrel put together where Ned Nwoko don come talk am say Regina follow man or something. His own complaint for where Regina dey be say she dey take druggy and e don enter another level. Almost 5 different one na im allege say Regina Daniel dey take. So e never accuse her of say she dey knack another man or she get any business to do with another man, which make Regina Daniel edge over them all. Now Leila say they dey find how they wan take beg Regina Daniel make she even return back because they no understand Ned Nwoko again. Imagine when the man of the house dey quarrel over unnecessary things. Wetin no suppose cross road go cross road pass where Ned Nwoko dey. Sotey e reach the one wey e open mouth dey tell her say for her life e no even wan see her close to those children. E wan cause enmity. The same thing wey Regina Daniel brother talk say Ned Nwoko dey always cause enmity between the both of them. Maybe im dey see am say Leila don sober, she wan apologize. Im don dey see am say any slight opportunity now, Leila go apologize to Regina. So e wan come cause that havoc so that by the time wey Leila go say wetin dey special for Regina Daniel children wey the husband come love about them like this, e go come cause the enmity. Then they go come dey see theirself like even if Regina ma wan settle with her so that if Ned Nwoko no dey, make she fit see her children. You understand? As im don pursue all the whole nannies and all, but still Ned Nwoko still dey find way wey dey go take scatter. Now Leila say she dey find way wey dey go come together, all of them as family, take beg Regina Daniel make she return back, say because they no understand this package wey dey now. Say they prefer the former package than this particular package wey dey now. Now Leila is in tears say God wetin im don carry im hand go put inside so, that this polygamy is never for the faint out. It's not even for her entirely, because she dey always like baby girl lifestyle. She dey always like to be treated right, treated like a queen, with petting, pet me I pet you. So she no really understand the one wey una dey wey dem dey inside like this. Say they just have to go back to how dem dey before, that she prefer it that way than now. Imagine the husband dey talk to her anyhow for the presence of the children. Who does that? My people, na wow, no be small thing o. Now Leila, una don hear am, she don dey cry out now say no, this one no be am. May God come help each and every one of us. My people, they say marry old man make you get peace. Make first wife do comot, make second wife dey alright. Na lie all for this case o. Even first no rest, second no even rest, even five no go rest put, because the man that is involved is another creature entirely. Now they say they create out time to call Regina Daniel. Now what are your advice to Regina? Una dey feel say after their meeting, they are all in all. Say make we give them second chance. After their meeting and all, make una come, make we interact o. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and they bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.